Penstemons are a perfect addition to any cottage garden display that you might have. They really do just soak up the sunshine in a sun-drenched border. And I've got several growing. There's a wall, it's actually sort of southwest facing. So it really does get plenty of light, really does get plenty of sunshine. And that's almost certainly the best possible position for Penstemon. And they flower from, in my garden, certainly from late July all the way through till October, each and every single year. Now, what the plant breeders have done with this particular collection is they have worked their magic. Back in time, Penstemon, which have the most delightful tubular shaped flowers, were great, but the flowers were less significant, not as big, they weren't as colourful, the range of colours were nowhere near as diverse as they are today. But in this collection, you can draw lines through all of those points. These are larger flowered than Penstemons ever have been historically. You get more spikes of flower and over a longer period of time. So from midsummer through to early winter, these will carry on doing their work. And the range of colours, with all of the bicolours and those lovely darker colours ranging to white in the throats and speckles around the flowers, really do add a massive attraction for me. These are perfect as small shortcut flowers as well. So you'll get so many spikes, and you can see when we look at this particular plant here, you've got many, many, many branches. Every single one of those branches has the potential to give you a spike of flower, and every one of those spikes of flowers will be multi-purpose. So in the garden, it's going to look amazing. Going to look amazing for many months. It's going to draw in all of the pollinators and actually friendly insects like bees, bumblebees, butterflies and so on will flock to Penstemon because they are just so attractive. But as cut flowers in the house, these will last for a good 10 to 14 days. So keep them in nice cold fresh water, they'll look amazing. So when you're thinking about saving a few pounds, growing your own cut flowers is the perfect way to do that. The one thing I would say is these are relatively winter hardy, but they're not totally winter hardy. So if you live south of Birmingham, what I would always say, get them planted in a south or southwesterly facing area, put plenty of mulch around the base of the plants, a good 1 to 2 inches thick of mulch over the winter months, and then you're going to get away with them overwintering almost every year. North of that, get these in pots so you can put them out in the summer and then put them in sun protection over the winter months. But they really are simply divine. Long flowering, late flowering, brilliant for bringing those insects into the garden and giving you that real cottage garden look.